What's the meaning of coffee house? Coffee house. Coffee house.
Coffee house. Coffee house. A coffee house is a type of establishment that primarily serves coffee, as well as other hot and cold beverages, snacks, and sometimes light meals. It is a place for people to gather, socialize, study or work, and enjoy a cup of coffee or tea. Coffee houses can be found in urban areas and are often seen as cultural hubs where people can engage in intellectual discussions, poetry readings, or music performances. They have a long history dating back to the Ottoman Empire and have since become popular worldwide.